Once in a while, you have to give your containers and planters a little bit of love. Feed your plants, remove spent flowers, and plant some new ones. So in this large planter, I've had some beautiful flowers earlier, daffodils, anemones, but they had finished blooming and all is left is this not so great looking foliage. There are some nasturtiums, as you can see, and these I will keep because they'll be blooming all summer long. A few more radishes left. I have pulled almost all of them out. So these are what I'm planning to go in the large planter. Couple of tomatoes. This one is San Marzano tomato, and you can see I let it kind of hang down instead of growing up, and certain parts are growing up, you can see, but the rest of it is just hanging down, and this one is the same way. I've had these tomatoes in my greenhouse. They were planted on I believe March, and this one is a cherry tomato. And this one is a begonia in lime pot. I'm recycling and reusing my pots. So I planted this begonia a couple of months ago and kept it in my greenhouse as well. Some sweet potato slips. I planted some in soil, as you can see, and they have been growing really nice. I also put a few in water and they developed a bunch of roots. So after I removed all of the daffodils and remaining radish, it kind of looks sad. I added some organic fertilizer to the soil, and all of the foliage I will put in the compost. Well, it looks better now. So I planted one eggplant in the middle, 2 tomatoes on the sides. I added sweet potato in between. This is the begonia I was talking about. I split it in 2. And I even put a few basils here and there. I also planted an eggplant in the middle of the pansy containers over here, down by the stairs. 1 in each. And these are my hanging baskets in the backyard. It started to get really hot now. Like we have temperatures in 80s and 90s. And those were right in a sunny spot. So these pansies are not that great looking. So I decided to add some edibles over there. These are my tomatoes that I have trained them the same way as the other ones. I just let them hang to have this kind of shape, and I'm going to plant them into my containers. I'm also going to add some California poppy seedlings in each container. because these pansy flowers are still blooming, but they're not going to be for a while. So I need to plant something by the tomatoes to fill up the space when pansies will be gone. I'm going to add some fertilizer into the soil, a little bit in each container. I always water before and after planting. So here they are. I planted a tomato in each container in the middle, and then I added California poppy flowers on the sides. Hopefully those will take off soon, and by the time pansies are gone, they will be blooming with a nice bright orange color. So the theme will stay the same. I hope my tomatoes like it up there, and I'll be able just to go and grab the fruit easily. I will definitely keep you updated on how this project worked out. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening!